In this video, I will show you how to multiply in Google Sheets, so let's get started with the video process. In this table, we have two different set of data. One column is the name, and the other column is the units produced for Jan month. We need to calculate the payment for every 1 unit $1.5. So we need to multiply B column cell by 1.5. The formula to type is equals to open parenthesis B2 asterisk sign 1.5 close parenthesis. Here, asterisk sign stands for multiply. And we have the result. To multiply all other cells with 1.5, we need to copy the multiplied result in this D2 cell and paste it in these cells. And done, we have the multiplied results. Now to multiply more than 2 cells, for example, let's take these 3 cells. We need to type equals to open parenthesis B2 asterisk sign C2 asterisk sign D2 close parenthesis. And done, we have the 3 cells multiplied. Next, to get same multiplied cells result, we need to copy the cell and paste it in all these other cells. And done, here, we have all the multiplied cell results, for the 3 together. With this we are done with the multiply in Google Sheets. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.